की छोटी छोटी मेमोरीज को जोड़ के बनती है एक लाइफ, एक जिंदगी ऐसी जो आप अपने साथ और अपने परिवार के साथ एंजॉय कर सके। और इसी तरह सारे दिन भी एक जैसे नहीं होते। There are some hard days, some easy days, some lazy days and some creative days. और अरे ये देखिए आज कौन आया है मेरे घर। आज मेरे घर आए हैं कुछ नन्हे मेहमान। अब ये बोगनविला का पौधा सिर्फ मेरा नहीं रहा, ये बन गया है इन परिंदों का एक छोटा सा रिलैक्सिंग डेस्टिनेशन। Today I feel rather creative. तो आइए क्रिएट करते हैं कुछ मेमोरीज, बिकॉज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ DIY होममेड बाथ सोप्स अपने बच्चों के साथ। It will be a fun-filled activity with the kids, and I really hope we all enjoy this process and make some happy memories. These DIY homemade bath soaps have the goodness of orange peel, lemon, turmeric and few other beneficial ingredients. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the process. But before diving into the main video, if you have not subscribed by any chance, please do subscribe. Now let's begin. So let's start with the first step, which is collect your orange and lemon peels and sun dry them. Once you sun dry your orange and lemon peels, make sure you cut them into small pieces so that they're easy to grind. And once these orange and lemon peels are good and dry, put them in the mixie jar with no water or very minimum water. Up next, I am adding this raw turmeric to this finely grinded orange paste. Also make sure that you have soaked your raw turmeric few hours before so that it's easy for you to cut and add. Grind everything together again and check this paste for consistency. It should be neither too watery nor too dry, just perfect. Now let's see the ingredients you need to make DIY brightening orange soap. We need orange peel, lemon peel, raw turmeric, water, soap base, aloe vera, soap mold, perfume or deodorant, pan and spoon. So since this is my first time to make a DIY homemade soap, I got myself this soap making kit from Amazon. Now you can get a soap base directly from Amazon if you would like that, but I wanted to first experiment with the whole kit since it has everything in it which I require, like the mold, the soap base, some artificial colors, a packing material if you want to gift them. These kind of DIY soap kit boxes are really useful, very handy. It also comes with its own manual which has the instructions step by step how to make a soap, which was very useful. These are few artificial colors which are totally depending like whether you want to use them or not. I did not use them because I wanted my soap to be very natural. All the list or all the ingredients, the content of the box is also mentioned on the back of the box. Now here I'm chopping my soap base into smaller pieces or smaller cubes so that they dissolve much faster and easier for me to put it in the pan. Since it's an activity which was meant to be some me time for me and my daughters, I'm taking their help so that they feel more involved and they feel very happy that they made something today with me. So this is how I do small activities with them. These are really good, healthy activities where kids also enjoy and they have this sense of responsibility, and you as a family can have a really nice, fun time. Now I'm using this double boiler method to melt my soap base, where I've taken a pan, put some water in it, and I'm using a glass pan to heat my soap base. Here I'm adding all the ingredients we have mixed and the paste we made, the orange lemon paste. Also I have added, if you noticed, 2 spoons of aloe vera. Now aloe vera will add to the benefits of this soap, and since this is a brightening soap, it is loaded with antioxidants, and aloe vera will help in soothing the skin even more. Soap base actually takes very less time to heat up and melt, so be quick. Once everything is nice and melted, pour the whole mixture into these soap molds fast, because obviously soap base will tend to harden with time. Here I'm spraying little bit of perfume or any kind of rubbing alcohol on the surface so that it's nice and smooth and does not have any air bubbles on the top of the soap. Now let this soap rest over time or put it in refrigerator for some time to harden it. So these soaps have been in refrigerator for 3 hours, and it's now time to face the honesty. Let's see how we did. Let's finally take out the soaps from the mold, and oh my god. These soaps have come out so beautifully, guys. Like, I cannot even explain how gratifying it is, how satisfying it is to get these soaps out of their molds. It is such an amazing activity, such a nice DIY, that not only you had a great time with the kids, but you also kind of see the end product and you feel absolutely happy, joyful, and you will obviously use these absolutely amazing, beneficial, made from scratch soaps for yourself and your child. One thing I would highly recommend is to invest in good silicone soap molds, because these plastic molds which come with the soap DIY kit were not good at all. They were not even able to stand flat on the surface, so they were not good at all. It was such a fun-filled activity I did with the kids, and I'm so happy to see the end product. Feels great, and also I can't wait to use them myself, especially on my kids, since they are absolutely natural, made with the utmost best ingredients we can use. And the great thing is I've also found a very appropriate box which was lying with me to actually store these beautiful DIY soap bars, and now I'm so excited to show these to my husband. I'm sure he'll be very happy to see them. and now it's time to reward myself. I actually love dragon fruit, and this is that time of the day around the evening 4 to 5 where I sit with myself with one fruit and just enjoy some time with myself and my kids. So here we all are sitting with our fruit bowl and also trying to learn some old school mathematics with fingers. Here I'm trying to teach them addition and subtraction with fingers. And this is that time of the day where I really enjoy my time with my girls. We learn, we sing, we dance, we play. This 1 hour is the golden hour, as I say, is just amazing with my kids. कि हर दिन सेम नहीं होता. आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा गया and I feel very productive, like I have achieved some small victory which I'm going to lock it inside my heart. And this is like a very fun activity, and I'm really looking forward to make much more varieties of soaps in future, because I think this way I can also make sure that I'm using the best ingredients for my house, for my kids. So I'm really looking forward to do more such activities. Anyways, this was the end of the video and शाम हो चुकी है. This is the best time of the day. I love the evening sunset. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot. बहुत motivation मिलती है मुझे, and thank you so much to watch this video. I'll see you back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.